Hello, motherfuckers. So for this video, we are back in this fucking game. We are back in this fucking game, guys. So how are we supposed to play it? Oh, there. What is this? A stair? Oh, a wall hop. I really hate wall hop, bros. See how new I am. I'm playing wall hops, bro. What the fuck? What's even your problem? Even it's easy, guys. You see? See that, bro? It's easy. Bro, just what the fuck? What the fuck? Man, if this will not pass, I will break my fucking phone. Dude. Oh. Bro, what the fuck are you doing there? Are you fucking eating yourself? Just do this. See? It's easy. What the hell? See that, guys? Bro, this is fucking idiot game I ever played. What the fuck? I just got died there. That's alright. I'm back. I'm sorry for the fucking noise in background, guys. This motor is can be, guys. Bro Snoop. He's like his father. I'm sorry, bro. I don't mean your father. Bro, thought I'm a noob. Bro, I just got up. Oh, that's fucking possible. Bro, what the fuck? Yeah, I'm so very fucking noob. See, that is easy, motherfucker. See that fucking shit. It's motherfucker easy. Bro, what the fuck? I thought I cannot pass. Man, how fucking easy as you just jump, motherfucker. Jump. What the fuck? How supposed we gonna climb that? You're gonna eat your butt? What? What children? Bro, it's easy that fucking shit. Bro, what the fuck? Why did I fall that? Man, I'm sorry for this noisy background. This is fucking shit. I'm getting fucking angry right now. Bro, why I cannot even walk? Looks like I don't have feet. I can even fuck up. Bro, what the fuck? I'm so noob. So I just passed this their motherfucker, so I got a reward. So we're gonna fucking try this shit. Oh, it's easy than I thought. Oh fuck, why did I fall? Oh, this is fucking head, John. Bro, I cannot even turn. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Bro, let me try one. What the fuck? One. What the fuck? Oh, just let me pass, you moron. So 1,000 years, I just gonna fast. That is fucking up, bro. What the fuck? Bro, just let me pass this. What? Bro. Bro!